Okay, boys and girls, good morning, everyone. Today we're going to learn something new, something interesting. I want to ask you to hear, to look careful, and to think. That's the most important. So, I want to start with, can you take a look here? What shape is that? I want quiet hands, Vienna.
Circle.
Circle. What shape is that?
Square.
Sarah?
A square.
Good.
Because it
what?
has four sides.
Good. What shape is that? Alina?
Triangle.
Yes. Okay. Those all shapes, we call them 2D shapes or two-dimensional shapes. But today we're going to learn something new. Can you tell me what do you notice about those two shapes? Think first. Think first. Look at them. Think. You can turn and talk to your partner what you think about those two shapes. Okay, so who wants to share? Kaylee? Kayla? Isabella?
I noticed that. Colors and then those one is
Okay, so first of all, of course, you notice they're different color, right? But can you say something about this shape? How is it different from this one? Jane. Okay. Okay, Jake is talking. I want you to.
So it's a ball. Sometimes when you look from on top, it looks like it's a flat circle, but it's actually a ball. Because when I looked straight over there, I know the yellow one was flat and the orange one was not flat. So the orange one is not flat because if it was flat, it wouldn't be safe.
Exactly. Yeah. Did you hear what Jake said? Yes.
It doesn't make sense if it was the same.
So one is flat, and we have a bowl. Okay. What can you say? What do you notice about those two? Sorry.
I noticed one is black.
Which one? Red or green?
The red one and the green is black, and it has different provided because I noticed that one's a black one and that one's a blue one.
Yes. Thank you, Sarah. So that's all. Yes, Sarah.
I noticed that one, the red one is bigger and the green one is flat.
Flat, right? And smaller. Yes, good job. So today we're going to learn about three-dimensional shapes. So three-dimensional, that's a shape that has absolutely different properties from those 2D shapes. And I want us to discuss them. So the 3D shapes, they have faces. We call this face. Face, there's the surface that are solid. It's face. They also have the edges. That's when three sides meet. And they have a corner. Three faces. Okay? So this shape, what's the name of this shape?
Block.
Vienna?
It's square or cube.
It's a square. When we look at this, it's 2D, it's square. But this one, with this 3D shape, we call it cube. Let's take a closer look at the cube. Cube has 6 faces. It's face. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 faces. Edges. Edge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 edges. This is the edge. And they have 8 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's a lot. Let's take a look at another shape. Can you take a look at this 3D shape? Turn and talk to the partner. How many edges this shape has?
0. This shape
I want
has
you to
0.
Think about how many edges, how many corners this shape has. Okay, who want to share? Adrian?
They have 0 corner right there.
0, right? It's very soft. It has no edges, no corners, and no faces at all. It's a ball. We call it sphere. 0 faces, 0 edges, and 0 corners. Okay? So another shape I want to show you today. We call it cylinder. It has 2 faces. Remember, faces, that's the flat side that we can put it on. Like this. 2 faces, 1 and 2. But it has no edges. It's very soft. It has no edges and no corners. It only has 2 faces, right? Okay. Another shape I want to show you today is a cone. Listen. I want you to listen. Another shape is cone. Cone, how many corners the cone has? What do you think? Yeah?
3.
Corners? So when we look at the triangle, it has 3 corners, right? 3 sharp sides. But cone has only 1 corner, 1 sharp side, 1 corner, right? It has 1 face. Remember, face is a flat surface that we put it on, right? 1 face. And edges, it's 0 edges. It's soft, right? Okay. So now I need your help. We're gonna write about those shapes. So the first shape, the first shape. So that's the first shape. How do we call it? White hand. Liliana? It's triangle if that's 2D shape, right? If that's 2D. If that's 3D.
Oh, yeah, okay, bye.
If that's 3D shape, we call it cone. Cone. So let's think together. How many edges it has? Edges. Edge is like this. Edge. 0, right? 0 edges. So how many faces it has? Face. Faces. Faces. Come on. How many faces? 1. 1 face. This is face. That's 1. Okay, and how many corners?
0.
How many corners?
0.
It's 1 corner. Corner, that's this part. 1 corner.
1 0 corner.
Okay. So what's the name of this shape? Vienna?
Cube.
Cube. That's cube. Let me try to. It's cube. Okay, with the cube, corners it have? Corner. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow, 8 corners. Okay. How many faces? Jordan, talk to your partner. Think about faces. Faces, that's a flat part.
Okay, stop. Hey. How many faces?
Faces.
How many faces? What's 6, 7, 12 plus 5? What's 6, 7? What's that?
Okay, so who can tell how many faces? Isabella? Let's do together. So how many? 6. Okay. And edges.
James.
This shape has the most edges. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many edges? 12. 12 edges. Okay, so now the easy shape. How many edges? How many corners? How many faces? Thank you, Anna. So with the sphere, it's easier. It's 0 corners, 0 edges, and 0 faces. Okay? And then our last shape, what's the name of this shape? Sasha? A cylinder. So this is the cylinder.
Twin.
So how many faces cylinder has? 2 faces. How many edges? 0. Edge, remember edge, this is the line like this, that's the edge. So 0, right? 0 edges. Okay, and how many corners? Corner, remember that the sharp thing that we can touch, sharp, like this. Like this, this is the corner. So 0, right? 0 corners. Okay, and this is cube, cone. This is sphere, and this is cylinder. Okay, so this is cylinder. So we learned about 4 new shapes, right? 4 new shapes. So I want you now to take a look at the video before we start the activity.
Be sure to get moving.
Okay, so they also spoke about another 3D shape, which we're going to learn later. It's called pyramid. But today we focus on those four shapes. And now we're going to do some activity. So if you, who of you was in Miss Klein's class? Michael, you, Zachary, Kaylee, James, yeah. So do you know what is it? A box, right? What kind of box? Isabella, do you know?
A mystery box.
Mystery box, or we call it Philly box. Why do you didn't say this? So why do we call it Philly box? Yeah.
For like a game where you try to steal something that's inside the box, and if you hit it, that's what it is.
Yes, exactly. So you put something inside a box and you trying to guess what is it. So, guess what we can do? Okay, I want everyone listen to direction. Be a good listener. So what we're doing now, I'm going to put the shape inside the box. And I want you to guess what shape is that. So we're going to try. Some of you who want, we can try. So let's see. I put the box inside. You don't know which box is that. And I don't know. I just feel it. So I feel this box. I think that I know what is it. And I have to describe it with the features that we just discussed. So you can take a look at the board to help you. So this shape that I have, you have to guess. This shape that I has 8 corners, 6 faces, and 1, 2, 3, oh my God, and 12 edges. Who can guess what's that? Adrian?
Square.
So square, it's 2D shape. It's 2D shape. It's flat. But now we're talking about 3D shapes.
Cube.
I just want a quiet hand. Okay? We can say all together. What shape is that? Cube. Yes. So we guess. Let me try one more time. Let's see. What shape is that? This shape right here that I have, it has 2 faces, but it has no corners and I think no edges.
That's a cylinder.
Jane, I just want a quiet hand, okay? Jake?
Cylinder.
Cylinder. So how we know? We have a hint here. So if I say that 2 faces, we already see, what it can be. It can be cylinder, right? So who want to try to feel?
Because there's no cylinder in there.
Yeah, that's also a hint. So who want to try? Who want to try to do the fill back? But you have to describe. So remember, look careful. This is faces. That's the place that we can put, right? The shape. So it has 2 faces. This is the corner. I'm sorry, this is the edges. And this is the corner. Corner, this is something is sharp. Like, we can put our finger. This is corner, this is corner. And this one, this straight line, we're 2 sides together. It's edge. So who want to try it? Zasha, come. So so be careful, your friend is here. Sit. You can take a sit. I'll put your box right there. And I put you the shape. Just close your eyes. So which shape I'm going to put for you? Which shape? Okay, it's here. Put your hands. Don't take it out. Just tell us what you feel. Okay. Now I want you to think, if Zasha said it's 0 edges, can it be the cube?
No.
No, because Zasha one corner. What's that? What you think? Turn and talk to your partner. Guess. Guess who your partner is. Okay. Okay, I like how Isabella holds wine in her hand. Isabella, can you guess what is that? So the triangle, it's 2D shape. Right now we have cone, cube, sphere, and cylinder. So who else wanna try? Sienna? Cone, yes. Zasha, are we right? Show us your shape. Yeah, we're right. Good job, Sienna. So who else wanna try? Okay. I want a quiet hands. Dwayne, do you want to try? But you have to be careful to explain it to your friends. No. I'm taking. You close your eyes. I feel this. Okay, Dwayne got his shape. So, Dwayne, just take your time, take a look, just touch your shape, feel it. And explain us, what do you feel? How many corners do you think in this shape?
8 corners.
Uh-oh. How many faces do you think?
12, I think.
Faces, that's a flat
6.
thing. 6. Okay, so I think
it's 12.
in 12 edges.
Yeah, I think it's 6.
Okay, so he said it's 8 corners, 6 faces, and 12 edges. So what it can be? Let's say together. Cube, because that's so many corners, so many faces, and so many edges. 8, 6, and 12. Dwayne, are we right? Can you show us? Yes, so we are right. Good job, everybody. You want to pick who's going to go next? Okay. You don't?
I think I'm not going to sing. I'm not going to sing. Me.
Yeah, so you want someone with a quiet hand, right?
I always have one hand.
So pick your friend.
And that would be those two.
Uh,
Jake and James.
You'll have to pick one.
That's with the Jake.
Jake, come here. Jake, I'm going to give you the shade. You know how it works, right? Okay. Dwayne, baby, come back. Okay, so Jake has his shape. Tell us, Jake, what do you feel? How many faces?
Mason.
Okay.
0 edges and 0 corners.
Okay, Jake said 2 faces, 0 edges, and 0 corners. Who can guess? I want quiet hand. James, do you know what's that? So, square is a 2D shape. 2D. On the corner, 2 faces, right? And what's the name of it? How do we call this?
What is it?
Adrian? Cylinder. Okay. Jake, show us. Are we right? Yes. So this is a cylinder. And who else wants to try? Jackson, come. Oh, you want to choose? I'm sorry.
Jackson.
Yeah.
Go back to yourself.
Jackson, we all want you today to come to us. So I'm going to put the shape. So just be careful. I'm going to put the shape and you tell us what you feel. Tell us what you feel. How many edges? How many corners? How many faces? 0 what? 0 corners?
Yeah.
How many edges?
Jaden, sit on your bottom.
Okay, and how many faces? Face is a flat side that you can put your shape. It's a tricky, Jackson got a tricky shape. Can you put it on the table? Is it flat? Does it have space? No, it's not flat, he said. So this shape is not flat. And he said there is no corners, no sharp things, and no edges, right? So no corners, no edges, no faces. What shape is that? Okay, Vienna?
I forgot what shape it was, but I think it's that one.
That one, because it has 0. So remember, cube has a lot of 8 corners, 6 faces, and 12 edges. And sphere, 0 corners, 0 edges, and 0 faces. Because we can, so let's see, Jackson, are we right? Is it sphere?
It's
Yeah.
circle.
It's a circle. If we look at this like this is the circle. If that's 2D shape, we call it circle. But now we learn the new thing. We learn 3D, 3-dimensional. So it's sphere. Okay? So come back, Jackson. So I want you to come to your seats and work on the. So hold on a second. Jackson, you can come back. Okay, so again, before we go to our seat, I want you to take a look. This is totally different. It's not square. It's not circle. It's not triangle. It's something new. It's 3D shapes. We call it cone. Cone. It has one flat side, and we call it face, and one corner. It's cylinder. We call it cylinder. It has 2 faces, 2 flat sides. 0 edges and 0 sharp things, 0 corners. We have cube. It's not a square, it's a cube. It's 8 corners, 6 faces, and 12 edges. And what we have sphere, which looks like a circle if you look from this angle, right? But this is 3D shape. We call it sphere. 0 corners, 0 edges, and 0 faces. So when I call your name, please go to your seat. The first group is a red table. Zasha, please come. Adrian, Jake, Isabella, and Vienna. And Dwayne, come. Okay. Who is my table help? So this is, that's for you. Zasha, can you give to everyone? Okay, Kevin. Okay, orange table, Kevin. Kevin, orange table. We can do it later, okay? So Kevin, Zachary, Michael, Grace, Jackson, you come to this table. Okay, that's it. Okay, James, let's go. What happened?
Pass them out. Give them out. Share.
Let's go. I'm picking you. Give it to everyone. Okay? Kaylee, Liliana, come to green table. Jaden, Stella. Stella, you go into green table. This table. Okay? And also orange table. Thomas, orange table.
Give them out.
I already know that. No, you don't know because they didn't tell you. Now with my cube.
this. So Jake already know what we have a word bank, and we have to name our shapes, color and name the shapes. Write the name of it. You have Jake. So you have the word bank here. You used already cube, so you can cross it out, right? Yes. So you have cube. What's the name of this shape?
A cone. Sphere.
This one.
Sphere.
Sphere. Okay, so you can write the sphere here. Yeah.
This one, the
Sphere.
one with the circle.
So you have your hands there on a paper, so you know how to write your words. So start with the shapes that you know,
Look, Dwayne, look.
and then you have some extra shapes here.
No, this is what I learned. Dwayne, look.
Okay, so Isabella, you have a cone, right? So if you have a cone, you have a word cone here, so you can cross it out. So you have to use all these words. Okay?
The digraph. Good.
So start with the shapes, Adrian. Start with the shapes that you know. What's the name of this shape? Cylinder. Where is the word cylinder? No, look at the word, how we write it. Cylinder. So this is cylinder. So you have to put this word here. Cylinder has zero edges, zero corners, and two faces. So cylinder, write cylinder. And when you're done with this word, just cross it out. So what else you know? So this is cube, this is cone. Good job, Zasha. What else? So when you're done with your words, you can color the shapes. You can use different colors. Okay, so what do we have here? So we have the names of the shapes that we just discussed, and we have to trace the words. It's gonna help us to learn the new shapes' names. Okay, so when you're done with the tracing the name, you can color your shapes. Okay, Zachary, what shape is that? Cone. How many little corners it has? One corner. That's right here. This is a very sharp thing that we can do like this. You know? Okay. So Mason, what shape you working on? What's the name of this shape?
Circle.
Circle. That's when that's 2D. When that's 3D, remember bowl.
Yeah.
How do we call it? You writing this name right now. It's a sphere.
This is sphere.
When that's 2D, that's circle. When that's 3D, we call it sphere. Oh, James, I like how you tracing the words. Okay. And you can also color your shapes. When you're done tracing, you can color.
A pencil is.
Okay, so what you need to do here, Jackson. So we have the shape here. What shape is that? Sphere. Good job. So now we have three objects here. We have bowl, we have slice of pizza, and we have, I think that's a planet. So I like that you color bowl and you color this one. Why didn't you color this slice of pizza? Because it's not the sphere, right? It's triangle. It's a cylinder shape, but that's not the sphere, right? Okay, what shape is that? We call it cylinder. Cylinder, right? It has two faces, zero edges, and zero corners, but two faces, so we can put it on one side or flip to another side. We call it cylinder. So what is cylinder here? This form? What else? And this. So this one was not, right? This one was not. Okay, so this is cylinder. Okay, and the last shape that you have, what's the name of it? Cube. Good So what is has the cube form here? This one is a cube. We color it. Is this one a cube?
Yes.
Yeah. So we color it. Okay. Very good job. Okay, don't forget your names. Don't forget to put your names and color your shape. Let us group trace all the names of the trees in shape. So now you can color. We have about 2 minutes. So we already learned this 4, but this is the extra. That's like a 3. What form is that? In the video they spoke about this form. Pyramid. Yes, that's the pyramid. So you have this in the word bound. Cylinder. E-R. Great. And you can cross it out, this word. Great. So you said it's a pyramid, right?
Jake, just right on your cross-out board.
Okay. Dwayne.
I crossed out rectangle. Where's rectangle? Right there.
That's the new shape. That's the shape we didn't talk about.
rectangle
It's
is
called
the long word.
rectangular prism. Rectangular. It's a long word.
I fit it in.
Great job, Zasha. Do you want to color cylinder also? What color you want to have cylinder? Wow, love this color.
What is this?
Rectangular
It's
prism.
the shape that we didn't spoke about. It's another. We're gonna talk about the shape later, but this is, we call it rectangular prism. It's the super difficult word, rectangular prism. That's an extra. Wow, I like how you
I
write
didn't need to do one.
this long word.
Done.
Great, you can color it. Adrian, how many faces you think the cylinder has? What is face? It's the thing that we call, that's a flat. No, the faces. Faces, remember. It's a flat. 2. How many corners? Corner, this is a sharp thing. Cylinder. Corners, the sharp things. 2 faces. 2 faces. 0 corners. 0 sharp things, right? Cone has a corner. Pyramid has a corner. Even the cube has a corner. You see those sharp things? Yeah? But there is no corners. This is soft. We can put it on 2 sides and it's very soft, right? It has no edges and no corners. Very good job.
I'm going for yellow. Okay, then I'm going for brown.
You need help? Wow, you start with this difficult shape. Prism, yeah, prism. Prism, this one, this word. So what do you think, this shape, rectangular prism, is it similar to which shape? To cylinder? So this shape, rectangular prism, it has how many corners, do you think? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8. So this is the sharp things, right? And edges. And it has surfaces, faces, right? So it's similar to this shape. Right? It's similar to cube. Right? But not the same, yeah. Okay, so what shape is that? Did you find this word?
That's not cool. That's yellow. Yeah, I know. I used it.
Here, right?
Done. I just copied your red.
Good job.
I copied your red. See, you got from
Okay, if you hear me, clap your hands. If you hear me, put your hands on your hat. If you hear me, please take your papers and come back to the meeting. Yes, you can do it. Okay. Okay, so you can sit on your paper. Don't put it in your mailbox. You can sit on it. Okay? So who can tell me? Mason, sit. Okay. Okay, so who can tell me what did we learn about today? Diana? 3D shapes. Okay, I want you now to turn to your partner and say, what 3D shapes do you know? Do you know the cube? Okay. Okay, who is not? Okay, hold on a second. Turn to your partner and tell which shapes, which cubes do you know? Okay, who wanna tell us about the cube? Isabella? Okay, your friend Isabella is talking right now. It's not respectful. I want you to listen to your friend. Isabella, sorry. Yes, it's like a square but 3D shape. Okay. Yeah. Okay, who can tell us about the sphere? Mason? Do you want to tell us about the sphere? No? Okay, who wants to tell us about the sphere? Zasha?
So the sphere has like corners, 0 edges, and 0 faces.
Okay, great job, Zasha. 0 corners, 0 edges, 0 faces. Okay, who can tell me about the cone? Jake?
The cone has
The cone? Okay, Jake is talking right now. Who is talking on the Jake? Tim. Mason? 0 edges, yes. 1 face right there. Okay, do we know the cones in real life? What is the cone? Thomas? Huh? Do you know the cones in the real world? Okay, think about this. This is something that you all like. Sasha. Ice cream cone. What else is a cone? Adrian? A triangle, yes. cone. Okay, and who can tell us about the cylinder? James. Diana? James.
Cylinder is like something that looks like is a shape that looks like a basketball or even just a ball.
That's the sphere. Ball, right? The sphere. You said basketball? Ball. Yes, the sphere is the ball. But what about cylinder? Do you know Diana cylinder? Where do we see the cylinder?
No.
What does cylinder remind you? You know the cans, right? The can can be the cylinder.
Good idea.
Okay, everyone. Thank you so much. You can put